Welcome to Munchkin Storytime. The title of this story is
Angelina Ballerina Cupcake Day. Angelina was skipping home from ballet class when she spotted a flyer in the village square. Chipping Cheddar baking contest coming soon, the flyer said. Angelina was excited. She loved to bake with her mom. When she got home, Angelina and her mom looked at yummy recipes. They decided to make delicious Berry Ballerina Cupcakes. The next day, Angelina and her mom went to the market. Angelina picked out the freshest strawberries. Mrs. Mouseling bought flour, butter, and sugar. Angelina could not wait to start baking. Angelina collected her baking tools. Just then, her sister Polly came into the kitchen.
Polly, would you like to help?
Angelina asked. Polly nodded happily. Angelina mixed the eggs while Polly mixed the sugar and flour. They added the berries together. Soon the cupcakes were ready to go in the oven. Their mom put the cupcakes in the oven while the girls practiced their twirls.
Oh no,
Angelina said. She realized they had forgotten to buy ingredients for icing.
My cupcakes will not be Berry Ballerina without icing or decorations.
You tried your best, and that is what matters, Angelina's mom said. Then her mom had an idea. A few minutes later, Alice arrived. She had come to help her best friend, Angelina.
We can decorate the cupcakes with these pretty pink ribbons,
Alice said. Soon it was time to head to the contest. Everything looked yummy. Dr. Tuttle had made cheesy cheddar scones. Miss Quaver had baked her famous chocolate piano pies. The judges came by to try each entry. Soon they picked a winner. The winner of the Chipping Cheddar baking contest is Miss Quaver, a judge announced. Angelina was disappointed, but she had a great time baking with her family and best friend. Angelina invited her friends to a cupcake party. What a perfect way to end the day. The